friend. Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is very easy and you have to find out in a very easy way the answer of this expression. But sometimes we will use the calculator to solve this expression. So today we will learn how you can easily solve this expression very quickly. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Okay, let's start the topic. Now, this is the 10 divided by 10 raised to power 3. So here we have to know how you can solve this expression. First, we have to know that what is 10 raised to power 3. It means that you have 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, right? So this is if you multiply these three numbers, so you get the answer is 1,000. Like 1, 2, 3. You have three zeros, and you have, if you multiply 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 10, so you get the answer is 1,000. Now, the we have to divide 10 divided by 1,000, right? So here we have to solve very easy way and you don't need to use the calculator. Okay, now we have to divide the 10 divided by 1,000. So if you see the zero number here, so if you cancel one zero from this zero, or you can say like this one cancel from this, so you get the answer is 1 divided by 100, right? And if you have to divide 1 divided by 1,000 using calculator, so it's sometimes it's not necessary to use the calculator to solve this type of question. So it's very easy. You have to see like here we have in the denominator we have two zeros. So first we have to do like write 1 and you have the count like how many zeros are there. So 1 and 2. So it means we have two zeros here. So you have to find out this one is like dot. We have to move like such that we get the two numbers before the decimal. So you can say like this zero, this dot, uh, two numbers come from the decimal sign. So which number like 1 you are already right, and here we have the missing part is 0. So we have to write this way like 0.01. So this is the answer of this question, which is very easy. You do not require to use the calculator. So the correct answer of this number is 0.01. We can solve another example just like if you see, if you have 1 upon 110. So how you can find out without calculator the value of this one? So you have to write 1 because it's very necessary to write the 1, and after that you have to find the number of zeros in the denominator. So here we have 1 0. So here we have 1 0. So we will write the decimal before after 1. So here 1 digit we have before the decimal, and the answer of this question is 0.1. So correct answer is 0. So now this is the example like how you can easily solve this type of question in your exam. So you don't need to use the calculator and you have to solve very quickly. So thank you for watching and we will meet in next class another from another topic. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.